Hey guys, it's Claudia, and it's like 9:30 in the morning, and I'm going to gymnastics this morning again because, of course, it is Saturday, and I'm kind of tired. But we're supposed to get hit with a huge snowstorm, but it's not turning us huge. We're supposed to get like 5 to 8 inches, so it is snowing at the moment, and I thought I wasn't going to be able to go to gymnastics because it's a little bit icy, but it's just snowing really hard. And when I come back, I am super excited to go sledding with my neighbor. So I don't know if you could see that, but the ground is covered. You can't see any green grass, and it is snowing super hard, and the trees are covered, and it's just a beautiful winter day. And like, I can go sledding when there's not even an inch because my driveway is always covered, so I just go sledding down my driveway. But I think me and my neighbor are gonna go sledding down her amazingly awesome hill, which has snow on it right now. So I think we can it's like the first time first time this winter that we've had enough snow to go sledding down her hill or whatever. So I want you guys to comment down below in the box if you guys are getting hit with this snowstorm, because I definitely am. So, well, you can only comment if you live in the US kind of thing. So if you are getting hit with a giant snowstorm, it doesn't have to be the one I'm talking about. Even if you don't live in the US, you can still comment if you're getting a snowstorm. So yeah, don't forget to comment. So I am going to gymnastics in like 20 minutes. I'm going to show you what I'm going to wear. So I'm going to wear this. And then this. So I will show you. So I just have this leotard, the one that I usually wear, but I just recently got a new one, so I wear that every Thursday, and then I wear this one every Saturday. And then I just have this fleece from Old Navy that is really fuzzy that I wear. And then I just wear these gymnastics pants. So those are really nice. And then I just do my hair in a ponytail. And yeah, super easy. So I don't need to get ready for like another 5 minutes. So yeah. And then tomorrow is obviously Sunday. But we are, there's like a vaulting clinic. Well, it's not really a clinic. It's just like an hour and a half. We go to our gym. We practice vaulting because that's our worst event. We learn drills. We practice sprinting. Maybe a little bit of conditioning to like get our legs all ready and warmed up and stuff. So that's pretty much it. Snow is beautiful. So yeah, I am going to just show you, because I'm bored, the products that I use in the morning when I go to school, on weekends, and going to gymnastics. So right now I am on my dresser, which I have all the products. So in the morning, when I go, this is where there's like a special, well, never mind, actually. So when I go to school, I usually wear a scrunchie. This one is blue. I don't always wear this blue one though. So I have like a basket of like hair ties and stuff. And then I just wear 2 hair ties. Sometimes I wear 2 hair ties and a scrunchie. Sometimes I wear 1 hair tie. No, 1 hair tie and a scrunchie, or 2 hair ties without a scrunchie. So today I'm just wearing 2 hair ties without a scrunchie. And then usually I pick one of the 3 hand sanitizers, which is Be Joyful, Twisted Peppermint, and Raspberry Pink Peony. So I love all of them, and I alternate with them. But usually when I just wake up, I use the hand sanitizer. Then I wait a little bit till it soaks in and it gets the germs off. And then I put on this, oopsie, upside down, coconut lime moisturizing body butter. It's coconut lime and it smells so good. So there's a lot left, so I use this every day to moisturize just my hands. Then I use this Snow Angel Shimmery Body Mist, and sometimes it doesn't come out, but I just spray it once, and then I smell good. And I have a matching one to go with it. This is body scrub that you can use in the shower, but I don't use this yet because I have so many gels that I use. And then sometimes I use both of these EOSs, but not usually. So this one and this one's mint, this one is pomegranate, I think. Sometimes, most of the time I use this one, but sometimes I use both, sometimes I use just this one, you know. It depends on the day. And yeah, I don't put on any makeup, really, but sometimes I just wear earrings, but I'm going to take those out for gymnastics. They're just Mickey green earrings because, long story, my favorite color is not green, but my favorite color is blue. But it's like, I don't know, it's like my birth color, I guess. Since I was born in May, my birth color is apparently green, and my parents got me this for my 10th birthday. And they're really cute. So I usually wear those earrings. And yeah. So I am going to get ready for gymnastics and might see you later today with another video, and I might see you tomorrow with an update on the snow and blah 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 blah. So there I am. So don't forget to comment down below if you are getting hit with this giant snowstorm or with any giant snowstorm, or if you have snow on the ground, I guess. So I'll see you next time on Life as Claudia. Bye!